Hello, everybody, and thank you to join us for this webinar. And we are going to talk about the new features of the Business Intelligence Smart Repository. So my name is Jérôme Tocan. I am the CEO of RapidViews. I am with Julien Dugrip. Hello. Our CTO. So the presentation should last about 45 minutes. Yes. Feel free to ask any question during the session. You can use the chat tools to put your questions, and we will take the question one after the other at the end of our presentation. So let's start. Alors, we are going to talk about who is RapidViews, what do we do. Then we will talk about one of our core products, which is called, of course, the Business Intelligence Smart Repository. We will talk about the new features, and we will, Julia, you will handle a demonstration, and we will take your overall questions. So RapidViews, it's innovative player on SAP Business Intelligence issue. We are expert on business intelligence. We have been working for many years on business intelligence project around the SAP technology and other technology. RapidViews comes from the spin-off from Decivision R&D. Decivision, it's a French consulting company dedicated to business intelligence. We started to invest around the SAP HANA technology 2 years ago, and we created this company named RapidViews. And RapidViews today is a very strong partnership with SAP, because all our solutions, that is very important, are certified by SAP. We have a strategic partner in the SAP ecosystem. We work with different strategic partnerships like USF, BARC, UKZUG, and DZEG in Germany. And we already have a set of consulting partners in Europe and in Canada. So in French, we have STMS, we have Acopa in Germany, Advent Edge in Austria, Command Management Solution in Spain, and Performance Analytics in Canada. And we are on the process, by the way, to sign and to contract many other partners, because they are extremely interesting by selling our solution. So we are going to talk about our solution. So our goal is really to help customers and partners to accelerate the deployment of business intelligence reporting solution around this new world, around the SAP HANA technology. Alors, we started 2 years ago to develop what we call the business content, what we call the foundation, which are business content around SAP FICO, SD, MM, PP, and QM module. So we have a set of predefined data mart that are based on our own kind of Lego bricks, I call it, and views and fact table. We provide all the semantic layer and set of reports, right? And around that, we also built tools to be able to centralize all our business content and, of course, all your own modification. So it's the Smart Repository. It's a governance tool that allows you to have a 360 views of your overall SAP Business Intelligence platform, because you can centralize all your report and all your views. We are going to talk about this product today. Before that, so the RapidViews Foundation, again, it's really what our core product at the beginning. We provide, again, predefined set of data marts that allow you to accelerate your deployment around FICO, SD, MM, PP, and QM. And we have all this set of data marts and views, and we access, of course, to hundreds of SAP table, semantic layer, and predefined reports. The reports that we provide today are with Web Intelligence, SAP Analytics Cloud, Tableau Software, and Microsoft Power BI, but you can use actually any reporting tools. The architecture of our solution, RapidViews, all this pre-package, you can install it, and we have references actually on this different set of architecture. You can install it directly on ECC on HANA to be able to do real-time business intelligence reporting. You can also, of course, and that is where we have the most, I would say, momentum these days, to install our RapidViews directly on S/4HANA. On S/4HANA, you have what we call the embedded analytics. Embedded analytics, it's really one screen, one transaction screen from SAP. You can build your own small reports, but it's what we call transactional reporting, because it's not the embedded analytics, it's a SAP technology that is not a real reporting tool. You cannot have all the power that you can have if you use SAC or Business Object or Tableau or Microsoft Power BI. So what if you wanted to be able to do real-time business intelligence, strong reporting analysis directly on S/4HANA? RapidViews is really the solution. It's worked extremely well. 10-15 years ago, there is no way you could plug reporting tools directly on your ERP, because the response time was very bad, because it was relational database. Now, with this concept of HANA database, which is a new technology, in-memory database, running on, of course, very powerful system nowadays, it's extremely strong and it works very well. And of course, you can also install RapidViews on the HANA Cloud Platform, on the HANA Full Use or SAP Data Warehouse Cloud Platform. By the way, we are now certified on SAP Data Warehouse Cloud Platform. We are the leader of business content on SAP Data Warehouse Cloud, because we provide, again, this business content for all the FICO, SDM, MPP, and QM module. So if you want to build your own data warehouse on using the SAP technology, you can install the RapidViews and use it as a foundation. And after, you have the business layer and your own reporting tools. Okay, so RapidViews, this foundation, this business content, allow you to accelerate the deployment of your solution, but we are not covering 100% of your needs, because by definition, you have your own specification, your own set tables, you have your own business rules, KPIs rules. Every customer is different by definition. And you want, of course, to be able to build your own report, because you have your own way to see and to visualize and to analyze your KPIs. To do that, next to our RapidViews business content, we build this concept of the smart repositories that allow you to cover the overall 100% of a business intelligence project. Alors, what is the business intelligence smart repository? Again, these tools, when we started to build these tools, it was at the beginning just to centralize the overall documentation of our business content. But as soon as we started to build this product, our customers say, okay, that's nice, but me, what I want to see my own specification. So I want to see my own report. So people are using Web Intelligence today, Microsoft Power BI and Tableau. Typically, you want to be able to bring back your report within this interface. And on the other side, you want to be able to bring back your own CDS views, calculation views, HANA Cloud views, to be able to centralize all this knowledge. And because of that, through our tools, you are going to be able to have a set of features, and it's what we are going to show you today: data search, data glossary, data lineage and impact analysis, and integrity check, to be able to analyze and to find very quickly any kind of information. Data search feature, it's what Julien is going to show you. You put any name, the name of a report, the name of a KPI, the name of a field of a SAP table, and you can filter of any submodule of SAP, okay, on FICO, SDM, MPP, and QM, and you will find what? It will give you the ability to find and to drill down through reports, through data mart, through views, and through tables, and you will find any of this information. We have a data glossary that will allow you to have another view and to see the detail of any object. You will extremely interesting, be able to do the data lineage from a report to the SAP field, and to go down to the formula, and to go up if you want to go up and find on a field or a report, and to do the impact analysis, which is a drill up
Yes.
to from a field to the overall report. So we built all these features. So really the smart repository is to master the content of your SAP BI platform, and you know that it could be very complex because SAP is complex. You have thousands of tables and you have a lot of needs, a lot of requirements, and it's could be very, very painful to find information. And when you want to build a new report or a new views for the technical IT teams, which one I'm going to use? How do I start? People spend a huge amount of time finding the right information. So through this BI Smart Repository, we centralize information, and so we give you all the documentation of your own system slash our own foundation that also is going to help you to give you ideas to build any report or any KPIs. You can explore your KPIs again. You can visualize any information to your platform through this concept of data lineage and impact analysis. And so you can really improve the development time of your views and of course of your reports. New feature of the BI Smart Repository 3.1.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Jerome. Actually, Smart Repository integrates business intelligence and web intelligence report, integrate calculation view and HANA Cloud views, and in this new version, Smart Repository can integrate Tableau software reports, Tableau preparation dataset. It's another tool from the software Tableau. We have a tool to create report and a tool to prepare data. Actually, we can connect our BI Smart Repository at these two objects. It's the same for Power BI. We can integrate in our repository Power BI report and dataset from Power BI. Dataset is the sources from Power BI. And now we can integrate SAP CDS view in your repository. Actually, repository contain all SAP standard CDS view, all CDS view.
All the CDS views that are built by SAP, typically that can be used if you use all the embedded analytics, you can plug all these CDS views.
Yes.
We have what, 1,000 of.
Thousands of CDS view. Actually, all of this substandard CDS view is in our repository, and now we can integrate all CDS view present in the S/4HANA system for a customer.
So if a customer has built his own set of CDS views and start to have a lot of CDS views, and could be maybe painful to find the right one to reuse or to modify, we can centralize all your customer CDS views within this repository.
Yes. And if an integrator has customized SAP standard CDS view on the S/4HANA system, Smart Repository integrate also this CDS view. We have new feature in this version, new data presentation and redesign icons. It's to give more clearer the presentation in the data lineage and analysis impact of each object. We have a management of semantic layer. It's universe from SAP Business Object. It's dataset from Power BI. It's Tableau Prep from Tableau. Actually, we cover the semantic layer from this product in our Smart Repository. We can integrate in Smart Repository complex data mart, complex on HANA data mart. In HANA platform, we can create CDS view, calculation view, and also script view. We can also integrate script view in your Smart Repository. We add object lineage because in the first version of the Smart Repository, we can show the lineage from one column or one field. In report, I take a field and I see the lineage from this field. Actually, in the new version, we can take a report, a table, a data mart, and show all of the lineage from the report of the data mart. Show the lineage of each object present in the report. We implement a new search level in the search bar to search only in the description and title of the object, to search in the column of the object, or to search in the source of the object. Okay. And we add functional explanation on the object. It's a feature asked for our customer, because in the first version of Smart Repository, we integrate all objects from BI reporting tool and from HANA platform, the name, the description, the label of the object. This information is only available in the Smart Repository, and now customer can create our own description, our own definition directly in the Smart Repository. If BI reporting tool or HANA tool don't offer the possibility to write a description, Smart Repository offers this possibility to write a description on each object present in the Smart Repository.
Yeah, we had customer that was very interested by centralize, of course, all their own KPIs and say, okay, but I want to be able to add comments because we really need to be able to explain and to put a description and how we build these KPIs to be sure that in 6 months, 1 or 2 years, so we are the rules, the definition is clear, and we will be able to see it. So we have now the ability at any level to put all these comments and explanation within any KPIs.
Yes.
Okay.
And the last feature, new management of repository to add, modify, or delete a view data mart in the repository.
Great. Julien, can you do a demonstration of our Smart Repository, please?
Yes. I open my Smart Repository. It's already open. Smart Repository, it's a cloud application.
Okay.
Smart Repository need just a navigator to this usage. Smart Repository can create user. Customer can manage user role and write on the Smart Repository. And after, the Smart Repository give access at the search bar. All modules available in this example from this customer, and customer can search in the referential any term, a name of a field, a name of table, a name of a report, a column on a report, any term on the repository. For my first example, I want to search the term supplier in my repository. I launch my search. The BI Smart Repository show me 6 reports about supplier, show me 7 data mart about supplier, show me 8 view on supplier, and 1 table on supplier. If SAP developer recognize this table is the principal table on supplier on SAP LFA web.
Okay.
The repository show me all objects available about supplier. If I want to see more detail on an object, I can click directly on an object. I can show the list of objects used to build this report. This report is built with 3 dimensions and approximately 10 KPI. I can click on an object to see the definition. I can show the technical display of the report to show all objects, the description of each object, and the source of each object. I can see in this case, I have 1 source for this report, the semantic source account payable. If I want to see more detail about source of information, I can click on the data lineage object and show all the lineage from this report. The report supplier amounts is built on a semantic layer account payable, and this semantic layer use 3 view, 2 dimension view, 1 fact view to build this report. This view is sourced on 3 SAP table. If I want to see more detail I can click on all object. If I click on the dimension supplier view, I can open this view. I can show all objects available in this view and the source table and the source column of each object.
Okay.
I can go back on a fact table. I can see in this fact table all object and the source column. If I take a KPI, in this case, if I take a KPI amount paid discount, it's a formula and not directly a subfield on sources. I can click on the object and see the formula used to create the object.
Yeah, and many times you have a lot of formulas, right?
Yes.
Because it's typically all what our customers are doing. We change when we install Rapid Views, we change a lot of business rules, KPIs
yes.
rules, because every customer, of course, want to define his own rules. Huh?
Yes.
Every customer is different.
Yes.
Okay.
And here,
so you can centralize it, and you can even edit, put your functional explanation.
Yes, in this screen, I can show the formula and edit the description of the formula, because in HANA platform, when I create the formula, HANA don't give to me function to describe the formula.
Okay, so you put
HANA,
it in this
just
repository.
A wizard to create the formula, and it's all. In the Smart repository, I can write a description for my formula.
Okay.
If I go back to my report, if I want to show the semantic layer used to create my report, I can open the account payable semantic layer, and I have access to all object sources from my report. If a customer wants to modify this report, add new KPI or new dimension in this report is connected at this semantic layer, and customer have access to all of these objects to modify this report. Customer have access to all supplier detail, have access to more KPI in measure, purchasing order, other KPI. Repository show the list of possibilities, so show all objects available from a key user to upgrade, manage, or modify the report.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. I return to my Smart repository. For this first use case, I search a report, a detail, and I show the lineage and the definition of the object. In my other example, I want to search a field or a subtable because I have a user that I want to use one field or one semantic description from SAP, and my key user want to show which report is
using this field, the SAP field,
or how
okay.
I can use this field. I search one table from SAP, a KPO table, and in this table, I search all my quantity term. Oh, sorry. I search all of my quantity term. In this table, I have the purchase order quantity. I have a key user want to use this KPI.
Well, you want to use it, and you want to see if there is predefined reports, or see
yes.
if you have already report using this concept.
Yes. I can click directly on this object and show not the data lineage but the impact analysis. The repository show me all objects use this.
So this field is using in the 3 fact table, and behind that you can see that here you can it's used in different data mart and
semantic layer or
and
report.
After it shows you the report
yes.
that already use this field, so you can directly see where is the information.
Yes, actually I can tell at my user the report order versus billed, the report OTD supplier, the report procurement dashboard use this object.
And in this case, tomorrow, when a customer install our Smart repository, he will see his own report,
yes.
and also our own views and report.
Yes.
So he can say, okay, maybe let's open the report that is provided by RapidViews, and because it's already contains this information, and let's modify it using the your own business intelligence tools.
Yes.
To be able to modify it as he wants.
Yes,
of course.
Yes.
Okay. Great.
If key user want to have more detail, I can click on the report, and I have access to the report. To the
KPIs, and how
all
the report
object
is built.
used to create the report. And if the report is good, key user use this report.
When you click here in the next release, we will have a link that will directly open the report in Power BI or SAP Analytics Cloud or Tableau.
Yes, in the future release,
so you will be able to also display the report because you are going to use a link to your own BI tools, right?
Yes.
Okay, great.
If I go back to my repository, I have access in this case at my company referential repository. If I search on the global referential, I have access to all objects implemented in HANA customer platform, in BI customer platform.
Yes, so the one that you as a customer are using.
Yes,
right?
as a customer repository. If customer have CDS view, calculation view, subtable, it's available in this company referential. I have access to the SAP referential. SAP referential contains the standard CDS view. If I want to show just an example of a standard CDS view, I can search the cost center view. The Smart Repository show me all view on the cost center. These views are technical view.
So you have technical views and dimension view.
Yes, technical view are used to create parameter the dimension, and the dimension view is the view used by end user in the BI reporting tool. If I open my dimension view cost center, I have access at all fields in this view. I have access at the data lineage. Actually, this SAP view is based only on one table, and I have access on the script view used to create the view.
Yes, because CDS views is a script, right? But we have we develop our own technology to be able to read this script, and from the script to be able to rebuild the data lineage and impact analysis, correct?
Yes. If I want to see the impact analysis of the view, I can see that this view is used in 5 other views.
Okay, so you will do all the lineage and impact analysis for any of our views, but of course also for the SAP CDS views, because for us our tools can read any CDS views, or your own CDS views, and of course the SAP CDS views, which is the CDS views.
Yes.
Okay.
And the tools have functionality to import view and table from your HANA system, import report from your business intelligence platform, import your traduction, because I don't show this functionality, but this application are multi-language system.
Yes.
And I can change in my parameter the language to show the traduction if we have implement translation in the repository, and administrator can manage the referential to add, delete, or edit a view. Yes.
Okay,
we have also a resume of last import operation to have access at status and log from all import operation, view, table, and report.
Okay, great.
It's good for me for the demonstration.
So thank you very much. So you give us a clear understanding of the overall Smart Repository platform. Thank you, Julien. What is coming next for the next release?
Yes, for the next release, we have one release push in production every month. Every month we have a new release in production.
Okay.
In the new release, we develop feature to export in Excel data.
Yeah, because customer ask us this feature. Yeah.
Yes, customer that use a description and integrate rule or definition in the repository want to export this definition in Excel. Data lineage and impact analysis can be export on Excel to give data for the IT manager or the HANA developer to help us to modify or develop an view. Improving operation overview, it's the status and the log of each import to have more detail on status or on object we are import in the repository. We want to give the possibility to add a report image in the repository. When I search supplier and the repository show me 5 reports on supplier, yeah. We don't have a picture to yeah. differentiate the report, yeah, just a name.
Of course.
And we want to give the possibility to add for each report a picture or a preview to differentiate the report.
Okay.
And we want to enrich, it's a good term, the functional explanation, because actually we can just add a comment on the functional explanation, and tomorrow we want to give the possibility to format the comment with font, with underline, and to download and integrate in the Smart Repository document, PDF, a Word document, an Excel, another document to give more detail on the description on an
okay.
On an
so
object.
Customer will be able to improve the way that he centralizes his comments and explanation on his own KPIs and reports. Okay, yes. Good. Thank you very much, Julien. To finish, I just want quickly to show you also what we have in our long-term roadmap. We have been talking with many customers, and we are on a way also to be able to give you through our repository the ability to view your business intelligence map with your business process. So we are on a way to build what we call the business catalog, to be able to, again, to catalog your business intelligence through your functional business process. So how is going to work? On SD module, you have a workflow, right? It's what we call the SAP SD workflow, typically, okay, writing query, quotation, contract, sales order, and so on, delivery to billing. We have also a workflow on QM, right? Mm-hmm. Planning, quantity planning, quality inspection, quality notification, quality report. You have the same on MM modules, and you have the same on PP and or FICO, right, for finance and the controlling module. What if when you install and you're going to access to your overall business intelligence, what if you could see all your KPIs and all your report map to your own process? So it's what we're going to build, because we have actually all the information centralized within our repository now. So let me give you an example on SD. You're working on the SD module, right? And you want to to work, to access, to report, and to build your own report. So you have the process flow, pre-sales, sales, shipping, and billing. Let's say you click on sales. You are going to see the document flow. So you will see the detail on contract and sales order. Let's click on sales order. When I'm going to click on sales order, it will show you all the information available on the document data side, key attribute and dates, typically, all the KPIs, and all the master data related to sales order, yes. Customer, country, sales area, division, material information. Okay. So what if tomorrow you can see your own KPIs, attributes, dimension used, and because you will have bought or rapid use business content foundation, you will also be able to see the available field that you could use, the available KPIs that are available within your foundation that are going to give you ideas to build other reports and to be able to see in the state of the art what is available through one process or one sub-process. So we are on the process to start to really to work on that. So basically to give a very strong business user views, because today our Smart Repository, we understand, is quite technical because we talk about report, but as soon as we talk a report, when we drill down, we talk about data mart, views, which is technical term. But for the end user, they don't want to see views. They want to be able to view process, and through any process to view what report we are using, what KPIs are available within my company, and why not what KPIs Rapid Use Foundation is provided, and to be able to see the overall state of the art of your overall SAP system. So we are on the process to do that. So you will be able to click on the process to go down, or from a report to see in which document flow and which process is used. So we are on the process to do that. And behind that also, the next step will be to help you, to help the business intelligence team to centralize, of course, but to also to help you to build your new requirement, right? We consider that most of time, at the end of the day, you need a business user and an IT user to talk together to be able to set up new requirement. What if you could have a kind of basket, and within this basket, you could navigate within our process, okay? Or let's say in this case, SD, you sales order process, to be able to access to the catalog, to see through the key attributes, the list of the attribute and the list of the date and your KPI and report and material information, your data dimension information. And what if you could at any time drag and drop in a basket? You could drag, typically in this case, sales order and SD document, and you will see the system will tell you the current coverage, what is already defined in your system, and it will help you when you will drag and drop object. Object will be object from your repository and from, again, our own repository, because the foundation give you all these KPIs, predefined KPIs, predefined attributes, predefined dimension, and the system will tell you which views to use and what do you need to modify. And at the end, it's just going to generate, let's say, a document, and through this document, the IT team will be able to see what needs to be done, which CDS or which set of CDS you could reuse. Is going to help you within this very complex set of views and data and tables. Anytime you're going to build new requirement, it will help you to choose the right set of information. So we are that within our roadmap. Okay, that's it. So we have customer really very excited. We have customer that really use our foundation typically on S4HANA today, because it's a fantastic way to provide real-time business intelligence on S4HANA. This smart repository, it's a fantastic tool that allow you to centralize all the work that you do. And to be honest, we are the only one on the market to be so advanced on this concept of data lineage and impact analysis, on this concept of CDS views and calculation views, because you do not have that on the market today. And we really want also to provide functional views and a technical views of our smart repository. It's for that reason that we started to do a lot of demonstration with our customer, with our functional customer, and they are very excited to be able to put their BI in front of their own business process, because it's a new way also to present the information. And you know how SAP is complex. What if through this interface you could see the overall business process and all your business intelligence related to this process? And our customer are really excited, because they say it's going to help us to be able to, when we do a meeting with functional user and IT user, to be able to see the overall picture and to help us to centralize and to accelerate the way to build report and KPIs. So we are very, very excited by the momentum and the feedback of our customers when we talk about these new features. That's it. So our references, we have today customer using our technology directly on the HANA full use platform, typically customer that decided to, from an ECC on a relational database, to extract information and to put it on the data warehouse on the HANA full use. We have the same on the HANA full use from ECC on HANA, Saint-Gobain. So the first references, we have Safran, Ascometal, Eramet, and Cuisine Schmidt. And to do real-time reporting on ECC on HANA, we have typically Lint, ESTI, POMA that use our technology directly on ECC on HANA. We have a customer at ICO that extract information on the HANA Cloud platform, and where they use our Rapid Use Foundation business content to build their own data warehouse. And we have customers directly on S4HANA, Pierrefab, DRT, Guino, Next Team Group, where they are very happy. Actually, it's a very happy customer because they couldn't believe that they could have so quickly in a few months all their business intelligence operational reporting up and running real time, where they are using their own reporting tools. Some of them are using Business Object, some other one Web Intelligence, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Power BI, Tableau software, to be able to access very easily to all their information. We do not have yet customer on SAP Data Warehouse Cloud because it's quite brand new, but our solution is certified. Yes. In June, we are going to have webinars, common webinars with SAP in France and in Europe. SAP is extremely excited to have partners that like us that innovate and invest a lot of energy to build this business content. So they are, of course, as you can imagine, very excited to because they think that we are going to help them to sell, of course, the SAP Data Warehouse Cloud platform. We move forward. We have also a lot of partners that are very excited also to be able to reuse our technology, because it's also a way for them to gain value and to resell more and to give value to their own customers. Okay, that's it. We have white paper. We have, of course, a website, rapiduse.io. Feel free to connect to our website to be able to download our white paper. Feel free to ask us any demonstration and, most important, proof of concept to test our smart repository. It's easy. In 1 or 2 days, we access to your CDS views or to your views and to your report. We bring back everything with this repository. We give you access to our platform, and you can see the value of what we provide. It's very simple. And of course, we also do a lot of proof of concept of our business content or our foundation on S4HANA, ECC on HANA, or any other HANA platform to show you the value of our foundation. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Denis Pantac and Franck Motin, our business developer. You can contact them or contact Julien Degrip or myself. Now we are going to take your questions, so feel free to ask any questions. So maybe we have first question. How does the smart repository connect to my HANA system? Julien?
Smart repository is not directly connect to the customer system. Smart repository integrate tools to import data. We have a procedure to export quickly metadata from HANA platform. We have tools to export quickly metadata from business intelligence platform, Power BI, Tableau software, Business Object. And this object, these tools generate a file. This file just is drag and drop in the smart repository. But for a question of security, we don't connect our cloud application to your HANA production system. No.
Okay. Where is hosted your smart repository?
My smart repository is hosted in Europe, in France, exactly.
Okay, so it's in Europe, it's centralized in Europe.
Yes.
In the smart repository, again, we centralize metadata. When we bring back reports and views, we do not bring back data.
Yes.
We just centralize metadata definition and rules.
Yes, we don't store personnel, we don't store customer data or critical data in the repository, just metadata.
Okay.
Do we have a trial version? Yes, Jerome tells that for a test, we can give access to trial version of the repository and download in the repository your CDS view, your BI reporting tool, and after a customer can test the smart repository with our own data.
Okay, good. Yes, this is the goal, because it's very easy to set up this concept of demonstration. What is the link with BW? So BW, we do not have link with BW. BW, it's a different technology.
Yes.
It's the way, it's the old concept of building a data warehouse. In a way, it's an alternative of BW. We have a lot of customers that we have two type of SAP customers. Customers using BW for a long time, and they say, I'm going to continue to use BW and to migrate my system to BW4.
Yes.
And you have a lot of new customers that does not know BW, understand that HANA technology and SAP Data Warehouse Cloud and all these concepts allow you to build your own set of information. And it's for that reason that we provide this business content that allow you to plug this business content directly on the S4HANA system or any HANA system, right?
Yes. I have another question. The data mart are just calculation view on calculation view, or the data mart is an universe? No, actually, in the repository, data marts come from HANA platform. It's a specific type of view in HANA platform. It's a data mart. But in the smart repository, in the report part, we have two types of objects, the universe, the semantic object, and the report object.
Okay.
The universe from business object is available in the smart repository, but is stored in the report part. Yes, it's a part of the report. And we can have access at all information of the universe, and data marts comes from HANA platform.
So we bring back information from the universe, and we also bring back the information from the calculation views. And within the calculation views, you can also have this concept of data mart.
Yes,
right?
Because few BI reporting tools don't use the technology of universe.
Yes, some of them, exactly.
Business intelligence reports are directly connect on HANA platform, and in this case, this report connect at a data mart. The data mart in HANA platform link the dimension and fact view and create a semantic layer. It's,
okay, great. You spoke about HANA Cloud, so it is possible to integrate the HANA Cloud BI environment to the repository.
Yes, it's possible.
We built a connector to the HANA Cloud platform.
Yes, actually, the HANA Cloud platform is named BTP platform. And on the BTP platform, if customer create our own view, if customer create our own table, smart repository can connect at the BTP platform and download in smart repository all table and views created.
So any customer that build his own master data and information within the HANA Cloud platform can be again centralized within our overall smart repository.
Yes.
Okay, great. I don't know if there is any other questions. What time is it? We are 10 minutes to noon, which we are on time. So again, feel free to contact us. Feel free to ask a more detailed demonstration or proof of concept. We are here, of course, to help our customers and partners to help you to set up your business intelligence project using all this new SAP technology. Thank you very much, all of you. Talk to you soon, and I hope this presentation was was useful for all of you. So thanks, and talk to you soon for the next webinar. Next one, actually, we are going to handle a webinar with SAP on SAP Data Warehouse Cloud. Actually, we are going to do 2 webinars in June with the SAP BTP team. That's it. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon, and thank you for having participating to our webinars.
Thank you.
Thank you, Julien. Ciao.